Hola clase, hoy vamos a aprender de verbos reflexivos. Let's listen to this cute little song. I know you're going to love this so much, right? Here we go. Oh, look, it's a little doll. A body of cotton. Here's our reflexive. She washes. Se lava. She doesn't cry when she gets her hair combed. Se acuesta. That's your reflexive. And se va. Okay, so reflexive verbs, or these are little pronouns that you put before a verb, and they are used in order to say that a person does something for themselves. So on this unit, 8.1, you have a lot of reflexive verbs, like afeitarse is to shave oneself. So you say me afeito. And so today we're going to talk about how you conjugate those verbs. So the reflexive verbs for yo, me, for tú, te, ellas, and él, se, nosotros, nos, ellos, se. So we don't use these in English, so they're going to seem really kind of weird to you, but te lavas la cara, do you wash your face? If you do it to yourself, you conjugate the end here, and then you put this little part right here in front of it to show that you did it to yourself. Se despierta a las 6 is, does like she wake up at 6, or does he wake up at 6? It could also mean do they wake up at 6. Okay? So, pronombres reflexivos, me, to or for myself. Te, to or for yourself. Se, to or for himself, herself, or itself. So if you're talking about an animal or something. Nos, to or for ourselves, and se, to or for themselves, you all or each other. So I hope that helps. This link takes you to a little song about Frage and Froggy, I can't talk, se viste, so he dresses himself. And it's a little storybook, and on each page you can go back and look at this. Se despierto y miró la ventana. So se despertó, he woke up, so we've got our preterite tense here, he woke up. Despertarse is to wake up, or to get up in the morning. Snow, snow, nieve, nieve, canto. Quiero jugar en la nieve. Vuélvete a dormir, Froggy dijo su mamá. ¿Acaso no lo sabes? Las ranas tienen que dormir todo el invierno. Despiértate cuando se derrita la nieve. So we have another one here, despiértate. So this little story, I would like you to, during this unit, if you have time, you can go back and look. I know that you have time, but you probably don't want to do this. But this is a cute little story, and it has a whole bunch of reflexive verbs about him dressing himself. So since it's him, you're going to use the word say. You're going to find that in here. Also, it's an awesome review of preterite. And I know some of these words are not words that you have already learned, but it's cute. It's a cute story. So let's go back to our slideshow. Don't want to make this too long for you guys. By the way, I miss you so much. I can't wait until you get back again. Maybe it'll be next fall, but we'll see you then. Okay, this is how they're conjugated. So remember, o, as, a, amos, an. You're used to that. So you're just going to throw this in the front if someone is doing it to themselves, if it is a reflexive verb. You can't do this on every single verb, and you're probably going to overuse them once you learn them, but that's okay. You'll make mistakes, but no big deal. So me lavo is I wash myself. Te lavas, you wash yourself. Se lava, he or she washes themselves. Nos lavamos, we wash ourselves. Se lavan, they wash themselves. Look at this, cepillarse. If you were with a friend, I would have you explain that to your friend right now. This is what we would go through in class. So check that out. Do you see the patterns? Groovy. Verbos reflexivos. Cuando usas los verbos reflexivos para hablar sobre partes del cuerpo, usa los artículos el, la, los, las. What this means is in Spanish, you don't own your own body parts. You're going to say the in front. So instead of saying, I wash my face, you don't say mi cara. You say, me lavo la cara. Okay? So, nos lavamos el pelo. We wash the hair. In English, we would say our hair, right? Nuestro pelo. And if you said that, they'd understand what you meant, but in Espanol, it's not correct. It's the body parts are, you use the, okay? And maybe it's because we have this extra ownership thing over here with reflexive. I don't know why, but that's the rule. So if you want to sound like you're doing it right, el and la, or los and las. So if we're going to practice here together, I filled in the answers here. I leave it blank when we're studying together as a class. So, ¿a qué hora te despiertas? What time do you get up? Me despierto a las 6. ¿Cuándo te cepillas el pelo antes o después de desayunar? When do you wash the hair? Brush, not wash. When do you brush your hair? Before or after breakfast? Because I know you guys look scary when you don't brush your hair. Me cepillo el pelo antes de desayunar. So I comb my hair before I breakfast. ¿Te cepillas los dientes después de comer? Do you brush your teeth after you eat? Sí, me cepillo los dientes después de comer. So do you see the form? ¿Te cepillas? Sí, me cepillo. ¿Te cepillas? Sí, me cepillo. So that's the pattern. Here's some more for you to practice. Look at those. I won't read them to you. I want you to read them out loud to yourself or to your buddy or your brother. Okay, I know that probably wasn't long enough. Okay, a practicar. So if you were next to your friend, we have these verbs right here. Despertar, wake up. Levantar, get up. Duchar, shower. Afeitar, shave. Vestir, dress. Maquillaje. I love that. Say it. Maquillaje. That's to make up yourself, like to put on makeup. Cepillar, to brush. Acostar. Now the way they're learned on your vocab list, they all have say at the end, which means we're going to use them reflexively. Okay? But before you put that reflexive in the front of say, because we're going to talk about all these people in the picture, you've got to put the ending on depending on who is doing the action. Okay? So if we want to say, she wakes up, se despierta. So you put the se in front of it, and then you got to conjugate that the way you normally would. Se despierta. Número dos, she actually is going to get up out of bed. She just wakes up. She's going to get up. Número dos. So we say se levanta. Número tres, se ducha. Do you see? You guys getting it? I'm sure you are. Número cuatro, se afeita. He shaves himself. He's dressing himself. Se vista. This is a stem changer. The E changes to I. Número 6, se maquilla. Número 7, se cepilla. Número 8, se acuesta. He goes to bed. So you got your little endings, and you just do your thing and put say in front of it. These are things you should be able to kind of say about yourself. I get up, I bathe myself or bath, I dress, I eat. And you're going to put an O on the end of those, right? Tell about your life. Señor Frijoles prepara para la cama. Mr. Bean prepares for bed. So this is a funny video if you want to watch it. It's Mr. Bean, and it is pretty. He does some crazy things. You know how crazy he is. So you can link on that. But just get a piece of paper out and try to write, oh, he gets up, se acuesta. He brushes his teeth with something weird, you'll see, I think. Se cepilla. So, se cepilla los dientes. You can watch that if you want to. We're not going to go there here. And that is the end of this. And I hope that you guys have a great day and that you understand these lovely reflexive pronouns.